If Google Chrome has frozen, stopped responding, or is using too many resources on your Windows PC, the fastest way to close it is to force quit it using Task Manager. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and software guides. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time. This opens Task Manager directly, which is the quickest way to manage running apps on Windows. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, don't worry, you can still use it. But if needed, click More Details to see the full list of running programs and background processes. Now look through the list and find Google Chrome. Sometimes it may just say Chrome, and sometimes you may see multiple Chrome processes grouped together. Click on Google Chrome to select it. Once it's highlighted, go to the bottom right corner and click End Task. This tells Windows to immediately close Chrome, even if the browser is frozen or not responding normally. In most cases, Chrome will disappear from your screen right away. If you had tabs open, they should usually restore the next time you launch Chrome, depending on your browser settings. This method is especially useful when Chrome locks up, a page stops loading, or the browser becomes unresponsive and won't close using the regular X button. Just remember that force quitting any app can cause unsaved work to be lost, so only use this when Chrome is stuck and you can't close it normally. And that's it. You've now learned how to force quit Chrome on Windows using Task Manager. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.